Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make Viazi Karai. Viazi Karai are Swahili snack which are mostly taken in the coastal region of Kenya for breakfast or at 4 p.m. So to make the paste, we are going to add half cup of all-purpose flour, then we're going to add some salt to taste and a pinch of food color, yellow food coloring, but you can use some turmeric powder if you have. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of water and mix that until you get a smooth batter. When the paste is ready, you're going to put that aside. Make sure you've already boiled your potatoes and cut them into small cubes as shown in this video. You'll then mix the potatoes with the flour paste as shown in this video. Then while frying, make sure each potato is covered well with the paste. Then you're going to fry them on a medium heat until they are crispy on the outside. And just like that, your Viazi Karai will be ready to be eaten. I served mine with chutney, but you can serve with either tomato sauce or tamarind sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.